Once again, welcome to you all, my dear students. My name is Devendra Kumar Tiwari. Today, I will teach you class 7th English Literature, chapter 10, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So that let us start to read this poem. This poem is composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is one of the greatest American writer and poet who composed a number of poetry for his country, so that in this poem we will know the feeling of the writer, we will know the ambition, we will know the aim purpose of the poet Robert Frost. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. कहता whose woods these are. There is a man who rode on his horse and moved or roamed in the forest, so that in the forest he saw a wonderful place where he stayed with his horse. Then he saw that the pleasant scene of the nature, and he said that whose woods these are. Whose means किसका, woods means जंगल, these are. ये जंगल किसका? आई थिंक आई नो, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट दिस वंडरफुल प्लेस, दिस वंडरफुल फॉरेस्ट. हुज फॉरेस्ट इज दिस? हिज हाउस इज इन द विलेज, दो इट्स अपियर दैट हिज हाउस इज इन द विलेज. उसका जो घर है गाँव में है. ही विल नॉट सी मी स्टॉपिंग हियर, सो दैट the owner of this place will not see me staying to here to watch his woods fill up with snow. To watch his woods, to watch means देखना. his woods, his means उसके woods means जंगल को fill up with snow, जो किससे भरा हुआ है? snow means बर्फ से. तो this place is full of snow. This is a wonderful and this is a very attractive place, so that I stayed here with my horse. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. This place is so very pleasant, so that my horse is also stay here with me. My little horse must think it queer. This place is a very strange for my horse to stop without a farmhouse here. There is no any stable. Instead of that, this my horse is also stay that place. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. Between the woods and frozen lake. Between means बीच में, the woods means जंगल and frozen means जमे हुए, lake means झील. तो इस जमे हुए झील और जंगल के बीच में the darkest evening of the year. The darkest means सबसे अंधेरा. evening means सायं of the year. इस वर्ष का ये सबसे क्या है? darkest evening है. So he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy lake. He gives his harness bells a shake. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistakes. My horse also, ठीक है, rings or moves its bells, which produced a kind of sounds. The only other sounds the weep of easy wind and downy flake. The only other sounds the only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. Downy flake means like down, find out here. Flake a small thin layer of some things. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. The woods are lovely. ये जो जंगल है वो बहुत ही सुंदर है, डार्क एंड डीप है. But I have promises to keep, but I am so very determined, and miles to go before I sleep. Before sleep I must be go to miles for my destination. वो कहता है कि मैं वादा करता हूँ कि सोने से पहले का कई मीलों दूर जा करके ही मैं अपनी यात्रा रोकूंगा। एंड माइल्स टू गो बिफोर आई स्लीप, सोने से पहले आई माइल्स टू गो, मुझे मीलों दूर जाना। इट मीन्स इन दिस टू लाइन्स द पोएट डिफाइन दैट द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ दिस पोएम, if we have any aim, purpose in our life, so that we must be keep on to complete, to achieve, to get our aim। इस दो लाइन के माध्यम से कवि हमें ये बताना चाहता है कि हम अपने जीवन का जो उद्देश्य चुने, उस उद्देश्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए हमें कठिन से कठिन मेहनत करना पड़े तो उसको भी हमें करना चाहिए। इफ़ वी विल सक्सीडेड टू कीप ऑन आवर लाइफ्स फॉर आवर अचीवमेंट, देन वी विल सक्सेस टू गेट अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट। So that is a definition or explanation of this story. So that thank you and have a nice day.